In my last video, I talked about how to invest in stock market, how you can begin investing in the stock market, what is a stock broker, what is a demat account, all those things I had covered in my last video. In this video, we will be talking more about like basic jargons of stock market. So if you watch any news channel or read any newspaper, then you can know what exactly is happening in the stock market. Okay, we'll go into the technical terms, what exactly happens in the stock market. Okay, so let's take each one of these terms one by one. First of all, what is a bullish trend or a bull market? So a bull market is a market in which the prices of stock keeps moving upwards. Okay, today if it is trading at, if some stock price is trading at 320 rupees, tomorrow it is 330, day after tomorrow it is 330, 340, then price is moving, so it is a bullish trend. What is a bear market or a bearish trend? It's exactly opposite to the bull market, in which the prices of stock keep on decreasing. Okay, it is called a bearish trend. So if some stock is trading at 320, tomorrow it will be 310, day after tomorrow it will be 300, and similarly if index will also decrease. Now what is 52-week high-low? So 52-week high-low is like in a year, in a complete year, if a stock price has reached some value which it has never touched at a highest value which it has never touched in that financial year, then it was called a 52-week high. Suppose if Bharti Airtel is trading at 320 rupees and once it has reached to 400 rupees in this year and it has never touched that 400, beyond that 400, then that 400 value is the 52-week high. And similarly the opposite, low, if it has never gone below that value, it is called the 52-week low. Now all-time high and low. All-time high is like from the day it has been listed in the stock market till today. If the stock has reached to a maximum price, whatever the maximum price from the beginning, from the day the stock has been listed in the stock market till today, it's all-time high. And similarly the all-time low is the opposite, like from the day it has been listed in the stock market till today, if it has never reached below that level, it is called all-time low. Now, what is long position? Long position is like if you are bullish on a stock. Bullish means if you want like if you think that the stock price of this stock will go higher, there is some positive news around this stock, then you will buy this stock first, sell it later. This is called a long position. Means you are bullish in the stock, you are expecting the stock prices to move upwards. Okay, just opposite to this long position, we have short position. This short position concept is little complicated. You here sell first and buy later. People gets confused that how we can sell something which we don't own at all. In stock market it is very much possible that you can first sell and then buy it later. If you think that the stock prices will go down, there is some negative news around that sector or that stock, then you will first sell it and you will be bearish on that stock, and then when the stock prices fall, then you will buy it. Let's understand with the graph. So if you are long on a stock, long means you have first bought the stock thinking that it will go up, the prices will increase. Then if the stock prices goes up, you will make some money, you will profit. But if the prices go down, you will lose. And accordingly, if you are short on a stock, you will sell it first thinking that stock prices will go down, but if it goes up, you will lose money. Now what exactly moves the stock? Okay, so stock movement happens because of any kind of news, government policies like GST. It may help some sector, it might not help some sector. International events like Donald Trump became president of USA, because of which many IT stock value lost. National events like demonetization, okay, because of this also the market crashed. Impact of any policy like GST, I told it has affecting some companies in a positive way and affecting some companies in a negative way. It can be as simple as weather forecast as well. So this time that has been forecasted that the monsoon will be very good, so the stocks which are associated with the agriculture industry or the food industry, they are rising. So anything which can affect the growth of any company, the stock prices move accordingly. Okay, now how that movement happens? There is a buyer, there is a seller. Okay, suppose there is some positive news around that stock. You want to buy it. You are thinking that the stock will move up. The stock price as of now is 300 rupees. But the seller wants to sell it at 303 rupees because he knows that you will definitely buy it at 303 rupees as well, because there is some positive news. Now you bought it at 303 rupees. Now it is trading at 303 rupees. Then now the next seller wants to sell it at 306 rupees, but now since there is some positive news around that sector, you want to buy it more, you will buy it at 306 as well. And if it is trading at 306 rupees, then you find a seller, you want to buy more, there is seller which is ready to sell it at 307 rupees, then only it will be sold. Okay, so this happens in a bull market. Now in a bearish market, like there is some negative news around that sector, then what happens? So seller wants to sell it on the trading price. Suppose it is trading at 307 rupees, but no one is ready to buy it at 307 because they think that stock prices will fall. So someone is willing to buy at 306, so the seller sells it at 306 rupees. Now he wants to sell some more, but there is no buyer. He finds a buyer at 303 rupees. So in this way, in the bullish market, the prices go up and stock price moves in this way, and in the bearish market, the stock prices moves in the opposite direction. Okay, so now what is the index? So index is nothing but a collection of companies under it. So Nifty is a collection of 50 companies under it. Sensex is a collection of 30 companies under it. So Nifty, if the stock prices of most of these 50 companies move upside, then the index value of Nifty will move upside. So it is a calculative value of like how many stocks in the out of those 50, how many are in green, okay, and what is their value in the share market. So accordingly, Nifty index will move upwards. Similarly, if the Sensex 30 companies, if the 30 out of those 30 companies, most of the companies are in green, like they are gaining, so the index will also rise, and accordingly if they are losing, the index will also fall. There are many sectoral indexes as well, like Nifty IT, Nifty Auto. In BSC also we have BSC small cap, mid cap, etc. So friends, in my next video we will be going into more technical details of all these things. In this video I would like to conclude it here. So friends, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. I will be posting more videos like this. Thank you very much.